Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how we can invite our friends in Monopoly Go. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Next, you'll see friends option in bottom right corner. You have to click on that. Then you'll see invite option. You have to click on that. And then you have to click on invite option. It will lead you to Messenger from where you can select your friends whom you want to invite. Now the invitation will be sent to your friend. So this is how you invite your friends on Monopoly Go. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.